I'm gonna be in the process of changing my hair color soon. The only bad thing about this time around is I only have 20 volume developer. I read this trick online that if I mix 20 volume developer with water, I'll get a 10 volume developer or lower. Really hoping that works out because I don't want to ruin my hair. And I usually go in with this Suave clarifying shampoo as well. Really hoping this works out. I've never done it this way before, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna deep condition my hair and then probably do a trim. When I bleach my hair, my roots, I'm gonna end up just going down and fixing some of these. I might not even fix it at all, to be honest with you. It depends on what color my hair ends up being, but we'll see.